anyone rule you. List of all birds. Bird dropping cause untold damage to property, product, both raw material and finished goods. Birds can lead to strike and hit at airport, leading to loss of human life. Bird dropping causes over 60 diseases as it is acidic in nature. So, what is the solution to this? What we need to understand is that most locations where the birds are perching act as habitat for them, and therefore it is essential for us to remove such habitat in order to control this problem. Pestco is an inert bird deterrent. It is suitable for preventing colonization of most types of birds like pigeon, sparrow or starling. Pestco when applied creates an unstable surface unacceptable to bird and thus deter their presence. The product has particular value in industries like paper, textile, food, pharma, automobile, machinery, electronics, railway installation, shipping and hospitality, where bird dropping can cause damage. The product is non-toxic and harmless to the human and the environment. Can withstand all weather conditions. -30° to 120°. Rain, snow, it all. Is colorless and merely gives a sheen. It is completely non-corrosive and water insoluble. In fact, it acts as a waterproofing agent. Bottom line, it is durable and long-lasting. Just apply it at the thickness of 3 mm and get rid of the birds. It is very simple to calculate the quantity needed. Here is what we need to do. The product is effective only on the area where it is applied. So first we have to identify where there is a bird problem. In case of its application at a manufacturing unit, the bird affected area is the truss of the unit, where the bird normally sit and not the actual floor area. The trusses area is normally less compared to the actual floor area. Now measure the affected area in square meter. 3 kg of Pestco will cover an area of approximately 1 square meter. Therefore, multiply the area in square meter by 3 to arrive at the total quantity required in kg. Porous surface like cement, wood need to be sealed off before the application of Pestco. It prevents the leaching of gel and thus extend its effective life. The ratio of sealant to Pestco is 1:4. Application of the product is a step-by-step process. Step 1. Clean the surface. Step 2. If required, apply sealant first evenly on the surface and let it rest for a few minutes. Step 3. Now apply Pestco gel evenly, maintaining a layer of approximately 3 mm with the help of small iron putty or scraper. It is essential that minimum thickness of Pestco of 3 mm is maintained. All applicators must have safety gear. The effect of the gel are almost instant, but of course on the area where it is applied. The product has been used successfully by over 1,000 clients all over the country. Most of them have issued us performance certificate as well. For more information like test report, MSDS or a personal visit, please feel free to contact us. We would be happy to help you.